There it is.
Cam Newton, let's do it for Norland.
One box.
Exquisite. (2011) foosball exquisite. Fucking process here. All right. Let's see who the base is, because sometimes it could be sick. Boom, Doug Flutie. That's sick. They just had the, what was it, the
Bills?
28th anniversary of his Hail Mary they showed on SportsCenter the other night? Yeah, the Bills. I think the Bills. Longest Bills or Chargers? Oh, man, I don't know. I'm not sure, but
Patriots.
Bills. We gotta go longest. So it is.
Doug Flutie.
Chargers? They say longest Chargers. Boom, there you go. Chargers.
3 years for the Chargers, 2 years for the Bills.
David Duke got the Chargers. Okay. Oh, we got a dummy. We got a dummy because we got a multi-item. There's a dummy on the back. That's usually good.
It's Chargers.
One box dummy.
Chargers, Flutie.
With David Duke. Alrighty. Go ahead, Eric. Let's see what the rookie is. Maybe. What kind of helmet? Oklahoma. Number 99. Sooners. Ryan Broyles for the Lions.
Ryan Broyles for the Lions. 08 of 99 for the Lions.
Oh, they want to slow roll the camera.
Oh, go ahead.
All right, here we go. It's Roy Helu for the Redskins. Laundry tag, University of Nebraska, number to 135. Cornhusker, pretty nice. Bookie.
Broyles is J-Man Lee.
Okay. Oh, shit. I just saw helmets. I saw these helmets.
Oh, shit.
The helmets that I saw.
Oh,
fuck
shit.
me.
Oh, shit.
Bo Jackson, Archie Griffin, Herschel Walker, Eddie George, number to 5.
Shit.
Fucking sick.
Raiders. Titans.
Raiders, Titans. I don't know if Herschel's going to be Cowboys or Vikings, and I'm not sure about Archie Griffin for myself. Sorry, I don't know. Got to double check them all. That is awesome.
Archie Griffin.
3 out of 5. What a
Archie
sick
Griffin
freaking
is Bengals.
Bengals. Archie Griffin. There you go.
And Eddie
George Titans for sure.
Titans, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
we got UD Black next. UD Black. Numbered out of 75, Dion Lewis. I think Dion Lewis is an Eagle, if I'm not mistaken. 28 out of 75, Lustrous from Pitt.
Walker is Cowboys.
Dallas Cowboys and Herschel Walker. All
So
right.
you got Cowboys, Raiders, Bengals, and Titans.
Evan Royster. Isn't that Redskins too? No, what team is Evan Royster? I can't remember that one. Number to 70.
Redskins.
Yeah, Evan Royster, Redskins. Look at that. Nice. Luke David Duke got 2 of the hits. All right, last one's a multi. With the pull-out things. Tim Brown. Wow. And Paul Horning.
Wow, Packers and Raiders.
Notre Dame. Yeah, we got Raiders and Packers. Notre Dame duel. That's nice. Tim Brown, Paul Horning. Packers, Raiders. Wow, look at these randoms. Look at this couple randoms in that box. That quad auto is retarded. Wow, sorry. All right, one more look at that bad boy. Either random this thing off or I'm assuming random it off. Unless you guys want to go sell and split. Now you're only in this thing $20 a team. Probably just do a random for 20 bucks a team. Plus you got the dual, nice. Flutie Flakes, the other dudes, Roy Helu tag. Alright.
Hey,
Sell and split. Yeah, retard is not the best word choice. It's not nice. Full retard. Can we stop recording already?
oh, we will now.
Thanks.